Hey everyone, got another unboxing video coming your way. One I'm very excited about and hoping to lift my spirits after this thing came in, which I was hoping to get a unboxing video for you guys on, and I will do so. Some things came damaged, so that's why I'm bummed, and I'll let you guys know. But I'll get this out of the box and show you what's going on. Here it is, everyone, the Traxxas Fiesta ST Rally based on the Slash platform. Super excited about this. It was so hard to find. Uh, you could barely find it available anywhere online. Everywhere that says it's available, uh, they end up contacting you saying it's not, and you have to go through this whole refund process. This is probably my fourth seller, and I have to give a shout out to these guys because as soon as their listing came up, I jumped on it, and shipping was fast. They charged me the lowest regular listing price for this, which is $269.99. No tax, which is awesome. Free shipping. And here it is, guys. I got it from Hobby Time RC, based out of Great Falls, Montana. And I'm not sponsored. I just appreciate great customer service and delivery of products. And this thing, you saw it come in the nice brown box, nicely packaged, nice and secure. The inner box looks awesome. I'll give you guys a look. It's upside down, sorry, but no worries. We only care about what's inside. But yeah, I am super stoked, and I'll get this unwrapped, opened up, so you guys can get a look on what's inside. And again, I'm a sucker for rally cars. You might have heard me say in my other videos. And here's a big one, and I got a couple others on the way too. But this was the big one for me. I love my TRX4 Sport kit, which is a Traxxas. I think from the products I've had experience with, they make awesome stuff. And this is pricier than what I would normally go for. But look at it. It looks freaking awesome. And they have other editions too. I think they do a Brian Deegan and a Valentino Rossi edition, which is pretty awesome. But this is the only one I could find, and again in reasonable price and actually delivered. So let me get this opened up and show you what's going on. Alright, thanks guys. Alright everyone, now on to the good stuff. So this is the brushed model. Comes with a 550 12 turn brush motor. Let me pull this out. They package everything so well, guys, and that makes a huge difference. And again, getting back to the box right under it, that it's so upsetting. But anyways, let's go over the box. You can see here it's got the 550 12 turn motor. The key thing to know about this is that it comes with a smaller pinion gear, so it's not optimized. I think I read that their suggested pinion gear size is a 25 tooth. But eventually I'm gonna get this thing into a brushless setup, so not a big deal to me. I really just wanted the chassis and the body. That's another look at the box before I put that down. So we open this up, they got it nicely zip tied. We'll go over this first. Here's the standard cheaper Traxxas TQ transmitter. Not a big fan of these. I'll probably end up putting my receiver and using one of the Fly Skies, or putting one of the Dumbo RCs on this guy. But not a big fan. The response is not great, and they're really bulky, but not a big deal. It's nice. It comes ready to run, minus the battery and charger, of course, and also the double A's that go in here. I'm going to give you some spare parts. These look like shock spacers for some spring stiffness adjustments. Small little tool kit. Some sticky extra body clips, and then the manual. Sorry for the bad shot. But yeah, I'll find out more about this and let you guys know. Take off body clips. Actually nicely packed. They put the plastic around the body, which is nice, keeps it nice and clean. There we go. Show you the internals. And there's that 550 12 turn, just like the box. The XL5 Traxxas Esc, kind of like their budget one. It comes in the, I think it's the same one that comes in the Traxxas TRX4 Sport ready to run also. But the nice thing is they do waterproof these things. And then the standard Traxxas, I don't know which model that is, but I'm guessing, yeah, the 2056 Traxxas Servo. But yeah, it's fine. I like their Traxxas battery retainer. That's always been a good one. But eventually this will become brushless, and I'll let you guys know what I can fit in there, and what the build plans will eventually be. But other than that, standard chassis, very cool. I love these rally tires and wheels. They are a bit firm though, and it's not a big deal though. This will probably be more road focused, light off-road, but let's get to the even better part. And I know that this is just a body and it's just super vain, but it's a fully licensed Ford Fiesta body, and very cool. Also cannot find the spare body available, or and once they are available, I'm gonna pick one up and paint one myself. But this thing is awesome. It's got a pretty cool solid spoiler on the back. Yeah. So again, shares the similar chassis to the Traxxas Slash. It has a low CG diff. Give you guys a better look at this. Oh yeah, in fact, there's my small rally right there, which happens to be also a Fiesta, at least a Fiesta clone. But there you go, guys. Oh, I am loving this and super excited. So I have a Traxxas battery adapter. You'll notice that Traxxas has their own proprietary battery connector, which is fine, but I have an adapter to use my T-plugs. And I'll be running it on likely I think this setup only supports up to a 3S, but I will gear up the pinion, and it's nice. They have a pretty cool motor adjustment plate right there. But I will gear up the pinion, probably run it on the brush setup, have some fun with it, and then eventually I'll move it up to one of these brushed motors, which I'm very excited for. So thanks for watching, and before I move on, I wanted to tell you a little bit about the bummer news, which was this guy. It's a ZD Racing SC08, otherwise known as 9203. And man, the body came damaged. I'll show you guys in the unboxing video. What I'm really upset about is that I got this from Banggood. I watched and waited for them to replenish their US stock, which they finally did, and then they shipped this to me. The the box was damaged. They looked like they even tried to tape up this portion of it, and they still shipped it to me. And I'm a VIP 5 customer, whatever that means to them, but they say that service is supposed to be highest priority, but it's not. They haven't responded to me, and in fact I have 2 other items that have not been delivered, but tracking shows they have, and they still haven't responded to my emails yet. So bummer news, guys, because I do order a lot of products from them, and I do generally appreciate how well their things have come in, but they've been disappointing, and I will be open about that, because again, I'm not sponsored. I pay for everything myself out of pocket, and including this guy. When I find things that I really like, really enjoy, I'll go for it. And I hope you guys enjoy the channel, and hope you guys like what you see, and please subscribe, support, and let me know what you want to see more of. But thanks for watching the Traxxas Fiesta ST Rally unboxing, and hopefully I'll get this thing up and get some running video for you guys in stock form with the 25 tooth pinion, and then eventually a brushless setup. Alright, take care everyone. Bye.